Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you're not currently logged in, you will have to do it right now, and then let's tap on the circle which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage, and something went wrong. Let's try again, and as you can see, fortunately here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed, and if you'd like to show the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, again we've got the list, and basically all you have to do is to simply find the app you'd like to update and tap on it, actually next to it on the square here, and mark it. So let's pretend I want to update the Gmail, the Google, Maps, Photos and Drive. And if you will mark all of the apps which you'd like to update right now, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, all of the apps, actually all of the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.